كثير يحلى.
كثير يحلى.
Tiptoe round my door, was not looking for you. Busy finding who I am. Just 1 year ago, you couldn't have told me that this was a part of my plan. Never imagined such a thing. Never imagined such a thing. So beautiful, wonderful. Never imagined such a thing. Never imagined such a thing. Now I understand, was all in the timing, busy counting down the days, and I could never see.
Hi guys, so right now we're on the way to work on our new collection. Can't wait to show you guys how everything is turning out. These are the streets of Cairo. It's 8:25 p.m. and this is our first destination, and then we'll be going to head over to the workshop. So the drop off is at 9 p.m. and I'll check in with you guys soon.
Never would have guessed that you'd show up for me this way. Never imagined such a thing. Never imagined such a thing. So beautiful, wonderful.
So right now we're on our way, and this is our ride.
Is your favorite color blue? Cause you something like my crib tonight. I think I want you to maybe meet me at my crib tonight. Might not be the one, but I'm definitely the prototype. Let's get down and
Here are the designs we're working with. It's for the bracelets, this is for the earrings, and this is for the ring. And now he's gonna Jasa. So as you can see, he's gonna cut out the
like that, I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you be like that, I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me,
straight from the 8, I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed, I did it in faith. I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. Straight from the 8, I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed, I did it in faith. I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. I do great at this rate. I'm finna good and I'm done acting fake. Had to step out the crib, I'm done being late. I'm finna walk in the world, don't need drakes. Bro, I ain't shooting no demons today. I'ma keep seeking the kingdom with faith. I'ma trust in the truth so he got in my ways. And I hope that you get it today. And I hope that you find in your way. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do great at this rate.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
I got God and he stuck on my back. I'm so attached, I don't need a strap. Never thought that he would take me back. I will love you forever. Yeah, now I see the truth. I'm believing in you.
Right now we're working on our horseshoes, you can see. So this is without the stone. This is after we polished the horseshoe. This one is the unpolished one. You could see more on the inside cut right here. This has little spaces right here. And then we go ahead and decide what will fit best. Right here we're working on different colors. It would sit inside of this little divot. And that's how it would look.
دلوقتي منار اتعلمت ازاي تشتغل الصنعة دي.
So you dip them like this and keep these two away from each other as you do it. And when it comes out, it's gonna be gold. So right now I'm gold plating this.
لسه حبة صغيرين كمان.
فايدي شوية، فايدي خليها الشفة بس هي اللي مسقعة، بس الشفة كده. يا عبد المنعم محسن.
أنا محمد ساير وبعمل شغل يدوي كويس. ودي عبارة عن حتة اللي هي دي اللي هي العادي دي السلكة دي كده عادية كويس. أنا بلفها كده اهوت أهو، بجيبها على دي كده بلفها كده أهو
تمام
علشان تبقى زي دي كده بالظبط. باخد دي كده بقصها اهو علشان تبقى كده اهي، وعلشان احطها هنا كده واجيب دي عشان احطها كده اهو علشان تبقى كده
Very nice.
كويس.